Good morning, friends. This is a second part of a story, The Princess and the Shepherd. Now, in our previous class, we had discussed that princess wanted to marry a man who was very kind and humble man, and she had a plan, and her father had a plan, and she wanted to execute it on her life. So what did she do? She went out of the palace and went into the street, into the empire of the king, to find a man who was most humble and most capable for her. Now when she was out first, she met a warrior, a man who fights for the king, or a young proud man who came galloping along his big white horse. Now when she asked for help, what did he do, or what was his reaction? Now from here we shall start. Kind sir, said the princess, I am tired and have a long way to go. Could you please take me a part of the way? No, cried the young man. I will do nothing of the kind. Out of my way. He struck the horse with his spurs, and away he sped in cloud of dust. Now what did this man do? He said, no, I am not doing any such kind of work. And what did he do? Spur his horse, spur उसके जो रस्सी थी, घोड़े को मारने की रस्सी थी, उससे घोड़े को मारता है, बेल्ट था उससे, और वहां से निकल जाता है. A very proud selfish man, said the princess to herself. ना प्रिंसेस खुद को बोलती कि बहुत ही घमंडी इंसान है. On walked the princess until she came to a castle. As she was passing the gateway, she met a man who was riding on a pony. What are you doing here? He shouted. When she moves ahead, she goes to a castle where horses are being tied, or horses are kept. वहां जाके उससे एक आदमी मिला. उससे बोलता है कि आप यहाँ क्या कर रहे हो? And on what was he riding? He was riding on a pony. Pony is an animal with a single horn. Pony means unicorn. आप सबने unicorn देखा ही होगा. I seek shelter and rest, said the princess. I have traveled far and I am very tired. And princess said, मुझे घर और आराम चाहिए, क्योंकि मैं बहुत दूर से ट्रैवल करते हुए आ रही हूं और मैं थक चुकी हूं. Clear out of here at once, roared the angry man. तो ये एंग्री मैन ने क्या करा? उससे बोलते कि यहां से रफा दफा हो जाओ, यहां से भाग जाओ. At this cruel words, the princess turned and hurried up down the road. After a time, she met a rich merchant. He was leading his donkeys, which were heavily laden with all kinds of goods. Then after some time, she had happened to meet a merchant. And what was he doing? He was leading his donkeys. और अपने donkeys को ले जा रहा था कहीं दूसरी जगह, और वो donkeys कहीं से लेडन से, कहीं से लदे थे goods से, सामान से. The princess stopped him and said, I am very tired and hungry. Could you spare me a little food? Now this princess says to this merchant, मैं बहुत थकी हूं और भूखी भी हूं, क्या आप मुझे थोड़ा सा खाने का दोगे? You can starve for all I care, replied the man. Be off with you. और वह बोलता है कि आप भूखे मरो, कुछ भी करो, मुझे कुछ नहीं करना, मेरे सामने से दफा हो जाओ. The poor princess turned away. No one had shown her any kindness since she had left the palace. And now, what happened? None of them had shown any kindness to this princess. It so happened that a young shepherd saw the princess as she came along the dusty highway. And now what happens? A young shepherd boy noticed this princess, that she was in need and she was walking alone on a highway. Hello, he called to her. You look very tired. Come over here and rest a while. And what did this boy do? Shepherd boy do? He tells, hello, आप बहुत थके लग रहे हो, इधर आओ और थोड़ी आराम कर लो. She did it so very thankfully. The princess sat down, took off her old shoes and rubbed her sore feet. Now what did princess do? She उस प्रिंसेस से धन्यवाद बोलती है और अपने उसके पास में बैठती है और उसके जो फटे और पुराने जूते थे उन्हें निकालकर और अपने फीट को मसाज करती है या फिर रगड़ती है. You must be hungry too, said the shepherd. You will share my lunch with me. और शेपर्ड बॉय बोलता है कि आप भूखे भी होंगे और आप मेरे साथ लंच शेयर करेंगे. From a bag slung over his shoulder, he took out a slice of bread, a piece of cake, a horn of milk, and a mug. And what did the shepherd do? He took his bag which was slung, उसके बैग शोल्डर पे जो बैग टंगा था उसमें से उसने क्या निकाला? A slice of bread, एक ब्रेड का टुकड़ा, a piece of cake, एक पीस का केक का टुकड़ा, और horn of milk, और एक बर्तन में मिल्क था, और एक मग. The shepherd carefully wiped the mug and filled it with milk. And he wiped the mug carefully, and what did he do? He filled it with milk. He offered it to the princess. She thanked him and drank it thirstily. और उस मिल्क को उसने प्रिंसेस को दिया और प्रिंसेस ने, क्योंकि वह प्यासी थी, उसने पिया. Then he offered her the cake, but she made him break it in half, so that they both had a piece. और उसके बाद शेपर्ड ने क्या करा? उसे केक दिया, पीस ऑफ केक दिया, पर उसने प्रिंसेस ने क्या करा? उससे आधा करवाया ताकि वह दोनों उसे खा सके. They laughed and talked about different things. At last, the princess said that she must go on her way. Now they laughed and they talked about different things, and at last the princess says, I had to go on my way. अब मुझे जाना पड़ेगा. So dear students, that's it for today. In the next class we shall finish our whole story. Okay, bye, take care, thank you.